The boxes are still unwrapped.
It takes everything in me to not buy everything in that store.
I'm wearing the same sweater I wore yesterday. Good day, my friends, and welcome to another day of VLOGMAS. Literally, the boxes are still unwrapped. And at this point, I feel like they're just a paid actor in these videos. They will get wrapped, I promise. Anyways, today is a very rainy day in Atlanta, and I have to run some errands. I have to go to Target, stop by Sephora. The worst thing is that it's raining, and I hate when it rains in Atlanta. Actually, no, I hate driving, period, but I also hate driving in the rain. So today is like a double whammy. We're gonna go and try to do as fast as we can and get back before crazy traffic starts.
We just got to Sephora. Let's pick up this toner and get going. I just got done here at Sephora and I stopped by Anthropology because they're like literally next door, and I just love Anthropology so much. Like, it takes everything in me to not buy everything in that store. I mean, they had this gorgeous button-down shirt with stripes, and by the way, if you know something about me, is I love stripes in any way, shape, form, size. I love them, and it was all stripes. Second thing I love is going to be anything that's shiny, so rhinestones, sequins, crystals, anything. I just love shiny things. I love them. And it had stripes and this whole pattern of like crystals. Oh my god. It took everything in me to not get that shirt. I gotta go to Trader Joe's, get some groceries. Gonna stop by Target because I have a return, and then we'll head back home. And I'm trying to do this all before traffic starts to get crazy here in Atlanta. Okay, bye guys.
I got Dr. Jart's Plus toner. I've never tried it before. They said it was really good, so I'm hoping it's good. My esthetician told me that I needed to hydrate my face because it was a little dry, so trying something different. Also, because it's my birthday month, they gave me a cute little like birthday thing. Look at this. It's so cute. Little Dior perfume fragrance sampler. I stopped by Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna unpack some of the groceries. These are always the things that I always get every time I go to the store. And by the way, side note, I'm wearing the same sweater I wore yesterday because I really like this sweater. I actually bought it in Spain and I love the colors, and I'm just gonna wear it as much as I can. I changed the undershirt. Anywho, so I always get these tiny little cones. Oh my god, they are so good. And I get the ones that have the chocolate cone, the chocolate cover, but they're vanilla and chocolate chips inside. Chef's kiss. 150% out of 100 recommend. I got some cabbage because I'm gonna make some soup. Pre-cut peppers, they're easy to just do things with. Stir fry. I also got some like I said, I'm making soup, so I got some vegetables, I got some cheese, some meat for some like turkey ham, and then I also got apples because, you know, it's the season, and I sometimes love having an apple in the morning just for breakfast. Some mushrooms, and also some like cured meat, some sort of like ham and boiled salami, you know, things like this. Charcuterie board. God, I always struggle with that word. Oh, by the way, you guys, oh my god. this cheddar cheese with caramelized onions, amazing. I always get this from Trader Joe's also. If I make some sort of omelets or if I'm making a sandwich, I always, because I love sandwiches, like we love eating sandwiches, and I just love layering cheeses, especially if you make like a grilled cheese. It is so good. We love having these in the freezer because they're so easy to make, and when you just don't have time to make something or cook a full meal, these are perfect. These are like just penne with some spicy, which is not spicy, it's just like really yummy sauce, and you just throw it in the pan, cook it for 10 minutes or so, and you're ready to go. Tonight we have an event that we have to go to, so I gotta get ready for that. I was thinking about making dinner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time, but let's see what we can get accomplished. Okay, my friends, I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you for spending the afternoon with me. And again, I promise you all, these will be wrapped. They will be wrapped. Don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. Bye, guys. Till tomorrow.